Welcome to Amplify Science. This video will walk you through the basics of how to navigate the teacher-only digital experience of the curriculum. Go to learning.amplify.com and log in. Your district will let you know how you should log on. Then, you'll see the year overview page, which shows all of the units in the grade you'll be teaching. If you teach more than one grade level, you can switch between them using the drop-down menu here. Once you select a unit, you'll see the unit overview page. Printed and bound teacher's guides are available for purchase from Amplify, but if you want to print one for yourself, you can do that here. Below that, you'll see the unit overview. This gives an outline of the unit. Next, you'll see a list of the unit's chapters and lessons. Printable resources is where you'll find downloadable copies of all the print materials that come in the unit's kit. Feel free to use this download to print replacements as needed. Printable resources also contain some additional PDFs that are optional but can be helpful in your implementation. The coherence flowcharts in particular can be a helpful resource. Broken down by chapter, they show how lessons and the evidence gathering and reflection opportunities within them come together to progressively help students figure out the unit's focal phenomena. The next section, Planning for the Unit, contains a handful of resources that will help you familiarize yourself with the content and structure of the unit. For example, the unit map outlines what students figure out in each chapter, and the Materials in Preparation section lists all the physical materials needed, as well as information on pre-planning your materials prep. There is also information for you within the Teacher References section. But these items are intended to be used as needed, and you are not expected to review them comprehensively prior to beginning the unit. One highlight of this section is the Assessment System resource, where you can review where all of the assessment opportunities in the unit are located. Another highlight is the Books in this Unit resource, where you can read descriptions of all of the books used in the unit. The last section in the menu is Offline Preparation. From here, you can download unit and lesson resources in bulk in case you need to be prepared to teach offline. Let's go into a lesson. Remember, to do that, you'll go to the Chapters section, then choose a lesson. Once in the lesson, you'll see the lesson brief. It gives you specific information on how to prepare for and teach the lesson. If you'd like, you can use this button to print a PDF of the lesson brief information, plus activity instructions, written out in a step-by-step format instead of in slides. Like at the unit level, you can jump between sections with the left-hand menu. The Materials and Preparation section is especially important, as it outlines the specific steps you should take to prepare for the lesson before the day you deliver it, immediately before class, and, when applicable, at the end of the day. If you have a Spanish add-on license, you can use the English-Spanish toggle to switch between languages as needed. All student-facing content will be translated when you switch to Spanish. This includes the slides, any apps used in the unit, suggested teacher talk, and more. In the digital resources, you'll find quick access to resources that may be helpful, including printable documents such as the investigation notebook pages, as well as any additional resources that may be helpful for instruction. Along the top of the lesson brief, you'll see two buttons, Get Lesson Slides and Teach. You can use the Get Lesson Slides button if you'd like to keep a copy of the lesson's Google Slides in your own drive, and/or if you'd like to customize them. You can find detailed information on how customization works on our help site. To learn more about how to teach with the teacher-only digital experience, check out the next video in this series. If you have questions or need help, you can always click the orange chat button to talk to a member of our support team.